It is the sound of change. Buy, sell. Take nothing for granted. Every moment the business world is changing. Miss the boat, lose the deal. Make a small mistake, lose a fortune. How can you ensure your business leads, not follows?
Businesses are still very hierarchical, and it's called business as usual. Well, I think the way things have moved so quickly, you need to focus on business unusual.
A new company is doing just that, creating a business model called venture consulting. Atomic Tangerine is a company whose solutions are as original as its name.
But I just want to ask you, where does the name Atomic Tangerine come from?
Atomic Tangerine's business model is a combination of e-commerce strategy and consulting. Combine that with some of the techniques and disciplines of venture capital, and also combine that with the whole area of technology innovation.
So you provide cutting-edge technology to internet companies. Do you also incubate internet companies?
We incubate internet companies or spin-offs from Global 1000 companies. Provide them with management, provide them with capital, provide them with the necessary means to really grow a brand new business.
It all begins with innovation, the cornerstone of Atomic Tangerine, which is a spin-off of SRI International, one of the most successful research facilities in history. Atomic Tangerine clients benefit from SRI's ever-emerging technologies, such as the ubiquitous computer mouse. What will the next innovation be? Atomic Tangerine has access to that future.
What they gain from us is access to technologies that are not currently in the marketplace. It allows our clients to basically leapfrog the competition. In today's economy, the cost of not deploying interesting and new technologies is the cost of going out of business.
As global innovators in emerging technologies, Atomic Tangerine helps traditional companies go boldly where they hadn't gone before. E-commerce, the internet.
When we deployed speech recognition technology for Charles Schwab, they're the first major company to do this sort of application. They're able to deploy their speech recognition system 1 year ahead of E-Trade.
Atomic Tangerine is an industry leader in providing a secure internet infrastructure, allowing clients the confidence to succeed in a secure environment.
We identified in Pakistan a large internet service provider that had been compromised by some hackers from industrial nations.
Security was always looked at historically as an afterthought. Now it is an enabler. If you don't have a strong security component to your company, you shouldn't be doing business on the web.
The Internet Defense Summit, hosted by Atomic Tangerine, brought together senior executives from leading Fortune 1000 companies to build a roadmap for securing the Internet. The summit has received international media attention and established Atomic Tangerine as a global leader in security issues. The summit has evolved into a franchise with future meetings, white papers, and a partnership with Interpol for formalizing communications between public and private sector organizations.
Great name. Atomic Tangerine. I can say it again. Atomic Tangerine.
The Atomic Tangerine brand is critical not only to our ability to capture new business in the future, but it's also an example for other companies of how to create a brand. Branding is going to be a really core component of a horizontal strategy and implementation service that we provide to companies. It's probably the most overlooked element of e-business today.
Another essential element to venture consulting is human performance. That is how the most important asset, people, work with the new strategies and technologies that businesses embrace.
We understand how technology and how strategy affects people. Technology itself is not a solution. You have to get people to adopt it.
Human performance is so critical because in the old days you had to deal with your own employees. How do you move your employees along at a rapid pace? Well, now it's much more complicated because not only do you have to deal with your employees, you have to deal with your customers because they're online, your suppliers, your vendors. Everybody needs to understand what is going on and all support the vision and movement for your company.
Atomic Tangerine understands your company. They share in the breathless risks that come with doing business in a volatile world. This is a company breaking the traditional consultancy model of time and materials. It's called value creation pricing.
We can look at each one of our customers, the CEO of our customers, in the eye and say, you know what, we only win if you win.
It's the revolutionary venture consulting model combining quantum leap strategy, emerging technologies, human performance, information security, and branding.
That's the concept of business today. Multiple planes, different things happening, all supporting the whole. You can't do business the old way. You've got to embrace the new economy.
For a client working with Atomic Tangerine, they're really getting a whole new type of e-business consulting venture consulting, not just bits and bytes or speeds and feeds of technology, but really helping them transform their business to compete in the new economy.
Whether you're a Global 1000 or you're a startup, we want to make you successful. We've got the skill sets, we've got the technology, we've got the people to move quickly.
According to the Yankee Group, Atomic Tangerine is one of the global leaders providing new financing initiatives for companies in transformation. That is why Sprint, Schwab, Motorola, and Mitsubishi have enlisted Atomic Tangerine's unique market offering of venture consulting. Anyone can take you where you've already been. Atomic Tangerine will take you where nobody has gone before. Atomic Tangerine, because it really is rocket science.
And lift off.